Welcome back. In this video, we are going to explore an important concept in Redux middleware. Middleware is how we enhance Redux with custom functionality. It works between the time when an action is dispatched and when it reaches the reducer. You can use middleware for various tasks like logging actions, handling asynchronous operations, or capturing errors. To demonstrate middleware, we will integrate a logging middleware called Redux Logger into our application. This middleware logs every action and state before and after it is processed. It is very useful for logging purpose. Now let us go back to the VS Code and open the terminal and install Redux Logger. I'll be using pnpm here. You can use npm or yarn. So the installation is complete. I'll import the Redux Logger, and from Redux Logger I will extract out create logger, and I'll create a logger object from this. I just need to call the create logger. I don't want to pass any options to this. I'll keep it as default. And one more import I'll do is from Redux, that is apply middleware. To apply this middleware, we need to call this apply middleware function to our create source function, right? It accepts a second parameter. So I can create a middleware. So I'll say middlewares. We can have multiple middlewares. So to this apply middleware, we can pass as many middlewares as wanted. For the time being, I will pass only one, that is logger. To this middleware, we pass it to the create store function as a second argument. Now what I'll do is I'll just comment this subscription. I don't want too many logs in the console. I'll clear the console. I'll maximize this. Now let us run node index.js. As you can see, right, it is logging all the actions like what was the previous state, what is the action, book was borrowed, the payload is one, what is the next state after that. So every action is logged. Even the user registration payload is logged. Of course, it is a logging object here. So whenever you integrate this Redux logger into a front-end application, right, you can expand this and see the object within it. So that is how we can create middlewares. In the next video, we will see how we can have asynchronous actions. Thank you for watching. Hope you are liking this series. If you are, please consider subscribing to the channel. See you in the next one.